stupid stuff.
Obviously. Hey, Christina.
Hat restricts me. Oh, my cat. Hold on. Come on, old lady. Yeah. Okay.
So what's up? So what are you doing?
You may want to move your TV
I can't wait till tomorrow.
and PS3 and fan and pillow.
Standing on my chair. Oh yeah, I know. I'm gonna have it all on videotape too. Hey, look, you didn't break him. Didn't break his leg.
Or your TV.
Yeah. Not really. He didn't break his leg. Oh, that was kind of funny.
Hey, wait a minute.
He rammed his nuts on the little bar.
Is that disturbing?
It did. It looked kind of perverted too.
Oh,
I'm gonna buy one.
Sphincter. Sphincter.
Hey, you should get a Center Ridge and buy a bag of Nut Harvest. Nut Harvest? They have a bags of Nut Harvest. What are you doing taking my pen apart? What?
I want to.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I don't know. You'll have to check tomorrow.
You're going to have to cooperate.
I don't think I have a hairy belly button. No. Not that I know of. What the heck? Hey, Ian.
Had to.
I don't know.
There's one of them.
Hey, Ian. Hey, Ian. Guess what?
What?
Penis. Stop pumping that. It's not nice. That fan does not deserve to be raped. It didn't do anything to you. That's just disgusting.
Anal. Listen, it's moaning.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm scared about. But I don't think he will, seeing as how I didn't. Seeing as how he doesn't, like, if he did, he'd, like, come to the button.
My brain's defective. Hey! Is it a
Huh?
moose?
I don't know.
Dude,
Something
you gotta
about
scoop me.
defective
Ow, my balls
crap.
hurt.
Your balls are- That's nice.
Help
You
me.
probably will.
There's hair all over it.
It's the crystal ball.
What?
It's the crystal ball.
Can we play basketball with it?
I don't think so. Oh, let's play football.
Nah, not worth it. I like you. Nah.
I don't know. I just do.